Hello guys and gals, Cat 330 here with a review of the Caterpillar D8R made by North Scott in 1/50th scale. Box this dozer comes in is a standard cat box. Has North Scott label on the back and a few little facts about the model. Nothing much. This model is a good model as a starting point for customization. It has great functionality on the ripper, with this being the maximum for carry angle, and this being the depth for a cut. It will hold that pose with the tracks off the ground, and is a great cut angle. The ripper also tilts in and out and is very, very nice. It has nice wear plating on it, on the tips of the teeth and back on the shank. Coming to these lights on the back, have working lights for the ripper and some nice bolt detailing for the hydraulic and fuel tanks. Also on the cab there are little lights for the tracks and plastic handrails. The cab has some detailing, but you can't really see in there very well. It also has a metal handrail for the for when you climb up onto the machine, which is cast into the model. Coming to the hood, the exhaust and air cleaner are both plastic, and there are two plastic grab rails over the rubber tracks, which do not look very good, but they have some bolt detailing on them. Also on the hood, there's a little Cat Assert little sticker or decal, and on the front you can see hydraulic lines running to the cylinders and a cat logo. As for the blade is very, very simple. There are no wear plating, no nothing. It's just a solid casting. It only raises to this high, and that's barely clearing the ground. And as for cut depth, you have to tilt the blade forward, and they'll get the front of the tracks off the ground, but not by very much. The reason for this is they have a little pin in here. This second one right here, not the connection to the dozer itself, but the second pin needs to be cut, and then that will allow full ranges of movement. As for tilt on the blade, there really is not any other than the play and the blade mechanism. So you really don't get any tilt that's noticeable. It just looks like it's just the play and the mechanism. Overall, this dozer is a good starting point for customization, because you can customize it to lift higher, or cut out the engine, this grill, and put a detailed engine, or maybe even put some open cab, like an open cab on here. And it would look really, really nice with that. Also replacing the the plastic tracks with metal tracks. Conrad has, I think, 13mm single grouser tracks that you can order that look really nice on this model. Yeah, in all, it's a decent model for a starting point for customization, and I don't know, I'd recommend it if you're gonna do a customization. Not a very good model if you're not gonna customize it. Thanks for watching. Bye.